A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to all of you to our Subha Danavi power plant, the 350 megawatt combined cycle power plant at Keravalapitia, Sri Lanka. We are truly honored to host this special technical visit as part of Siemens Energy's annual Asia Pacific Sales Workshop happening parallelly here in Colombo. Today's gathering has special significance to us as it offers a meaningful opportunity to share our experience and insights in working with Siemens Energy, especially across Keravalapitia 2 project. And we truly value this platform because our feedback is not only welcome, but actively used to enhance the excellence and innovation that Siemens Energy brings into this partnership. It is this spirit of openness, collaboration, and continuous improvement that strengthens our journey together. To officially commence this evening's proceedings, it's my pleasure to invite the plant manager of Subha Danavi Power Plant, Mr. Amal Fernando, to deliver the welcome address. Over to you, Mr. Amal.
Thank you, Aniji. Good afternoon, distinguished guests, Siemens representatives across the Asia-Pacific region, and colleagues. It's my great pleasure to warmly welcome all of you to Subha Danavi 350 megawatt combined cycle power plant. We are truly honored to host the Siemens Regional Conference delegation here in this power plant today. Subha Danavi stands as a significant milestone in Sri Lankan power sector. This plant was built through a strong collaboration between Siemens and Lakdanavi Limited EPC arm. One of the unique successes of this project is that every stage, from design and procurement to construction, commissioning and startup, involved the dedicated contribution of Sri Lankan engineers. Their commitment and technical excellence have made this facility a benchmark project in our country. Today, the plant continues to be operated and maintained entirely by Lakdanavi Operation and Maintenance team, demonstrating our capability to manage world-class technology with local expertise. We take great pride in ensuring safe, reliable, and efficient operation while continuously striving to excellence. Your visit today is an important opportunity for all of us to exchange knowledge, share user experiences, and strengthen regional collaboration in gas turbine technology and power generation. We value our long-standing partnership with Siemens and appreciate the confidence placed in Subha Danavi as a model plant for this year's regional conference. The upcoming Sahas Danavi 350 megawatt combined cycle power plant project, which will follow a structure and layout similar to this very facility, is also planned as a collaboration with Siemens. We look forward to build on strong partnership established through Subha Danavi, and we are confident that together with Siemens, we will achieve another successful and timely project completion of Sahas Danavi. On behalf of Lakdanavi, I hope you had a productive, insightful, and enjoyable site visit Subha Danavi today. Thank you once again for being here, and we look forward to meaningful discussions in the future with you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Amar. And next we move on to a comprehensive overview of the Subha Danavi project. Please join me in welcoming our team's mechanical engineer, Mr. Kavindu Fernando, to present the key operational highlights of this landmark development. And also, please feel free to enjoy the refreshments as we continue with the proceedings. Mr. Kavindu, over to you.
Thank you very much, Anuji. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed my pleasure to present the journey of Soba Danavi with you, to which Siemens Energy has been a very important and very collaborative stakeholder. As you are all aware, Lakdanavi Limited is the power and energy arm of LTL Holdings, a truly Sri Lankan powerhouse which delivers multifaceted technological solutions for the power requirements of Sri Lanka and other countries in the region. Since its beginning in 1997, as the first independent power producer in Sri Lanka, Lakdanavi has developed over 1,000 megawatt of thermal and renewable power plants in Sri Lanka and in overseas. The plant you visited today is the latest addition to our portfolio, and we are working on another 100 megawatt solar power plant in Sri Lanka, and of course the next 350 megawatt Kerawalapitiya 3 power plant. Moving on to the details of the Soba Danavi power plant project, Soba Danavi is located at the heart of the Kerawalapitiya industrial zone, a few kilometers away from Colombo. It's a development on build, own, operate and transfer basis, and the power off-taker is a Ceylon Electricity Board. The power purchase agreement for Soba Danavi is in place for 20 years from the combined cycle COD. It declares a net dependable capacity of 350 megawatt on RLNG operation, which accounts for approximately 7% of the total installed capacity in Sri Lanka. The power plant consists of a Siemens Energy SGT5 4000F gas turbine and a SST5 3000 steam turbine powered by a triple pressure HRSG from Hangshu Boiler Group. The power purchase agreement of the Soba Danavi project was signed on July 2021, and after the environmental and other regulatory approvals, we mobilized to the site on December 2021. And just at the beginning of the project, in early 2022, Sri Lanka was hit with the worst economic crisis in its history. When all the mega infrastructure projects were closing down, and even reputed OEMs and contractors were closing their offices of their Sri Lankan branches, we, Lakdanavi Limited, made sure that Soba Danavi would never stop. Thanks to the unwavering determination of our senior management, civil works of the project started in August 2022. The gas turbine was delivered to site on January 2023, and the subsequent erection and commissioning work went on. By August 2024, we declared the open cycle COD and continued with the erection and commissioning of the steam turbine and the HRSG into 2025. The combined cycle COD was declared in July 2025, marking the successful completion of the only national project to have not stopped during the economic crisis. As in any other project, we started with the design phase. We had technical requirements of the power purchase agreement governing us, and also the technical specifications of our OEMs. We had a very fruitful collaboration with Siemens Energy for the designing of the power island and also the electrical, mechanical, and civil balance of plant systems. Step by step, the designs got more complicated and updated and delivered the final blueprints of the power plant you saw in front of you. A special highlight is that a digital twin of the power plant was developed in parallel to the designs. It is very noteworthy to mention that Siemens Energy engineering team gave immense support in reviewing and commenting this 3D model At the end of the design phase, we had a fabulous and detailed digital twin of Soba Danavi power plant. And at the end of erection and commissioning phase, we are very proud that we made into a reality. As it was mentioned earlier today, Lakdanavi took the responsibility of doing the erection and commissioning works of Soba Danavi rather than de-scoping and subcontracting into another EPC contractor. While the erection and commissioning of the balance of plant systems were underway, Lakdanavi had an ECS agreement with Siemens Energy for their scope of supply. The erection of the gas turbine, steam turbine, and the auxiliaries were carried out on TFA basis, and the commissioning was carried out on TCS basis. This, I would say, a major area where we had very good influence from Siemens Energy. All the TAs we had at site were not merely fulfilling their contractual obligations. All of them became an extension of our own team. We shared challenges, technical problems, and deadlines together and made sure that the project was delivered exactly as expected and on time. Looking back, it was a fast journey for Soba Danavi. From a mere marshy land in 2022, now it is a full-fledged 350 megawatt combined cycle power plant by mid of 2025. It was never a simple task. It was a great undertaking by a small island nation. During the full duration of the project, we had 2.5 million local man-hours in all managerial, engineering, skilled, non-skilled categories combined. Also, we had assistance from our foreign OEMs, accounting for approximately 25,000 TA man-hours, out of which clearly majority is from Siemens Energy. We are very proud to state that we had 0 lost time incidents throughout the project duration. Highlighting a culture of safety that has been nurtured throughout. And of course, the journey doesn't stop there. Inside the Kerawalapitiya industrial zone, we have Yuga Danavi power plant of 300 megawatt. We have Soba Danavi power plant of 350 megawatt. And our next venture is another 350 of Kerawalapitiya 3 power plant in the near future. So this new project records the completion of 1,000 megawatt of power plants owned, developed, and operated by Lakdanavi Limited within this specific industrial zone. And this project is aptly named as Sahas Danavi, which literally translates to the 1,000th generation in Sinhala language. And we are very happy indeed that Siemens Energy has been or will be the partner for Sahas Danavi as well. Winding down our story on Soba Danavi, I would like to thank you all for visiting us at Soba Danavi Power Plant and being a reliable partner in our continued progress. Thank you very much and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kavinder, for that insightful presentation. We now invite a distinguished representative from Siemens Energy, Mr. Andreas Pistal, Senior Vice President, Gas Services, Sales, Siemens Energy, to share a few words at this graceful occasion. Over to you, Mr. Andreas.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have to say I stand here with admiration and being very humble. The power plant that was built by this team here, above all by the LTL team, is outstanding. It's an outstanding piece of quality, of determination, and also, as we heard, overcoming any obstacle with ingenuity and a future vision. Congratulations to this fantastic power plant. And this morning, after the impressive word and the speech that we have heard by Mr. Marika and Mr. D'Amica, I would like to say also that our team is very, very grateful, and Siemens Energy Global is very grateful for the opportunity that we have been able to work together on this fantastic project. The world needs a lot of electricity. And even though you said before the power plant is more now rather focusing on peaking operation, you will see there will be times when it comes into base load and it becomes the essential part of the backbone of the electric system. Last week I had the opportunity to travel to US, and what is going on there right now in terms of electricity demand for data centers and artificial intelligence is above what we could have imagined only a few years back. And everything is based on electricity. Electricity is the backbone not only of AI and data centers, it is the backbone of modern societies, of any further economic development, and therefore I'm also very impressed that you built such an impressive power plant here in Sri Lanka that is future-proof, and not only by Keralapitiya 2, but hopefully also by phase 3 soon. Mr. Mesh, I can really congratulate you to this fantastic power plant you have built here. We talked before about what went well, but you said what you will improve next time in terms of lessons learned. I understood this is an outstanding plant that is operating very well. We are still maybe here and there with some minor topics, but having seen many power plants worldwide, I want to congratulate you as well. It's impressive what you have built here with your engineering and construction team. Going into the future, I can tell you we have started the manufacturing of the next gas turbine, and probably in a few months we see it coming, all the bits and pieces coming together in our Berlin factory, which is very interesting. When you see the final work of the engineering, the bits and the pieces taking shape in the factory, and you see a gas turbine to its full size and impressiveness. By mid of next year, the unit will be ready to be deployed, and we are looking forward, of course, give you all the support from our side, from this team here, but also from on behalf of Siemens Energy to make also the next project very successful. And today we have also the management team of the service here in Asia Pacific with us. And there's a reason. Because we are not, you might have said this is the sales team, but we are not happy with sales only. We are only happy when a power plant operates, when it works well, and we want to ensure that you have a trouble-free operations throughout the next 20 or more years of operation. And our colleagues here with us from service will support you as best as they can and ensure you get all the support from Siemens Energy on the path forward. With this, I would like to thank you so much for this wonderful afternoon, the invitation, and once more to everyone who has been working on this power plant. Will a deep want to express my gratitude, my appreciation on behalf of Siemens Energy for this fantastic piece of engineering, of work, of ingenuity and vision, because electricity gives not only economic support and life to people, but it is future-proof also to our children. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Andreas, for those lovely words. It's indeed an honor to have you guys all with us today. So, as we bring this session to a close, we would like to express our sincere appreciation to Siemens Energy team for your presence, your contributions, and your continuous collaboration with us. Your commitment and engagement plays a vital role in strengthening our shared mission of delivering energy solutions that are reliable, sustainable, and future-ready. So, to conclude, we invite you to enjoy a short video that highlights the essence of our journey and the innovation during our Sobha Danavi project. Thank you once again to all of you, and we wish you a pleasant evening ahead.
Every nation experiences turning points, key moments where vision, resolve, and ingenuity converge. In Sri Lanka's journey toward energy resilience and sustainability, one such turning point quietly rises on the horizon. Sobha Danavi, a story of power, perseverance, and purpose. Located in the heart of the Kerala Energy Hub, the Sobha Danavi power plant is a 350 megawatt liquefied natural gas (LNG) combined cycle facility designed to meet the rising energy demands of our nation. This state-of-the-art facility marks a key milestone in Sri Lanka's long-term generation expansion plan, underscoring the nation's commitment to a future powered by sustainable, cost-effective, and clean electricity. The Sobha Danavi power plant was developed in 2 phases. Phase 1, the open cycle, was declared open in August 2024, featuring Sri Lanka's first installation of an F-class gas turbine generating 220 megawatts of electricity. At Sobha Danavi, we prioritize efficiency and environmental responsibility. By utilizing LNG as the primary fuel, we reduce fuel costs and minimize greenhouse gas emissions, aligning with Sri Lanka's commitments under the Paris Agreement. Using LNG will save millions in foreign exchange annually, providing affordable electricity to the nation. Phase 2. The combined cycle is now operational, adding another 130 megawatts through a triple pressure steam turbine, increasing the total output to 350 megawatts. It significantly boosts the plant's efficiency by utilizing waste heat from the gas turbine, captured through a heat recovery steam generator, HRSG, reinforcing our leadership in sustainable energy production. Executing a project of this scale presents many challenges. Following a comprehensive government procurement process, Lak Danavi signed the power purchase agreement for the Sobha Danavi power plant in July 2021. In 2022, during the early phases of execution, Sri Lanka faced its worst financial crisis in history. Despite numerous obstacles and resource constraints, the project continued to move forward. becoming the only major national infrastructure effort to remain active throughout the economic downturn. This project also marks a historic milestone in Sri Lanka's logistics sector. The successful transport and installation of over 6,000 tons of equipment showcases the engineering prowess and unwavering dedication of all involved. But what truly sets this project apart is the team behind it. The entire design, procurement and construction of the Sobha power plant was carried out by 100% Sri Lankan technical expertise, making this a truly homegrown achievement. From engineers and technicians to planners and project managers, their commitment, innovation and resilience made this vision a reality. This plant is not only a milestone in infrastructure, but a proud symbol of local talent and capability, powering the nation forward. Beyond energy, Subha plays a crucial role in Sri Lanka's economic and social development. By utilizing local expertise in the design, construction and operation of this plant, we support industrial growth, job creation and economic stability, benefiting thousands of workers and millions of citizens. Throughout the construction of the Sobha power plant, a strong emphasis was placed on health and safety. Thanks to the dedicated efforts of the entire project team and strict adherence to safety protocols, Sobha achieved over 3.5 million safe work hours without a single lost time injury. A remarkable milestone that underscores the project's unwavering commitment to the well-being of its workforce. Sobha is more than just a power plant. It is a strategic investment in Sri Lanka's energy future. As we march toward achieving 70% renewable energy by 2030, this project stands as a testament to the potential of local engineering and innovation. Entirely funded by Lakdanavi Limited and Sri Lankan banks, this plant symbolizes our nation's commitment to a cleaner and greener future. And our journey doesn't stop here. The upcoming Sahasdanavi power plant, set to commence by the end of 2025, will add another 350 megawatt LNG combined cycle facility, marking 1,000 megawatts of combined cycle power generation at the Keralapitia Energy Hub. This will make it the largest thermal power complex in Sri Lanka, all constructed, commissioned and operated by Lakdanavi Limited. Sobha is more than steel and circuits. It is the pulse of a nation choosing progress with conscience. Sobha stands at the vanguard as the nation powers on, lighting the way to a sustainable future.